I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to turn off Duolingo motivational messages. Step 1. Open the Duolingo app and then tap the ellipses icon in the menu. Step 2. Tap Profile in the displayed menu. You'll land on your Duolingo profile screen. Step 3. Tap to choose Settings on the next screen. Step 4. Find the Account section and then tap Preferences. Step 5. Tap to toggle off motivational messages. When you turn off motivational messages on Duolingo, you will no longer receive the in-app pop-ups or email notifications that work to encourage your language learning in Duolingo. This means that you'll no longer see messages celebrating streaks, progress updates, and general encouragement. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.